A vertical plastic baler is a machinery designed to compress loose plastic waste, such as PET bottles, plastic films, or containers, into compact bales for efficient recycling and transportation. The process begins with feeding the plastic materials into the top-mounted hopper, which guides them into the vertical compression chamber. Hydraulic cylinder driven by the machine's power unit then exerts downward pressure, reducing the volume of the plastic through repeated strokes. Once the material is tightly compacted to the preset density, a strapping mechanism, usually automatic or semi-automatic, secures the bales with steel or plastic straps. Finally, the compressed bales is ejected from the chamber via a discharge door, ready for storage or shipment. This type of baler is favored for its space-saving vertical design, high compaction ratio, and suitability for small to medium-scale waste management operations.